Hi guys, this is Premster14 and we are back with another supercar event. This time we are going to be driving all the way to Yas Marina for a drag race, and this event is organized by Block 92, Trinity Rental and Premier Dubai, and we have a crazy lineup of cars, so let's just show you around. So here we have the 6.2 liter E63 AMG, we have the AMG GT S over here, we have another AMG GT S over here. Over there we have a Brabus G-Wagon. Over there we have the M5, BMW M5 competition with a sick number plate. Check this out, we have the Lamborghini Diablo VT Roadster right here. What a special car, and this is the first time I'm seeing a Diablo in my life. That's crazy. Check this out guys. This is the predecessor to the Murcielago and the successor to the Countach. What a special car we have here at the event. We are at Trinity over here, and let's check out the cars we have here. We are welcomed by a McLaren Artura over here. We have the Maybach S680 V12 over here. What a stunning shade over here. As you can see, this rose gold with this navy blue looks amazing. And check out these monoblock navy blue alloys. Guys, over here we have the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, but it's not a regular one, it's the Mansory one. You can see Mansory has got its hands on this car, and you can see the carbon fiber hood, the Mansory logo right here, the carbon fiber splitters, the alloys are Mansory. What a spec guys, and the interior is also so good. We'll check that out later, but what a stunning shade. This orange pops out and suits the car so well. Next to it we have the 911 Dakar over here. Check this out. Looks so good. And over here we have the Audi RS6 Mansory, and check out this stunning body kit that it's got. It's the Mansory carbon fiber body kit. You have the carbon fiber hood, and it's also lowered, I guess. What a stance guys, check this out. This is crazy. Oh my god. Guys, before the shoot, let's get something to eat, and we have some really nice food over here.
What is that?
Yes, a small slice. इतना सारा मीठा है भाई, डायबिटीज हो जाएगा. Perfect, thank you. Guys, we are on our way to Yas Marina circuit. We are in the RS6. So guys, we have the Cayenne Turbo GT Mansory over here. Check this out. So guys, here's the gang. We have the XLP 600 over here, the Artura and the Mansory Cayenne Turbo GT. Guys, we made it to the Yas Marina circuit, and we're at the drag center over here. This is the RS6. We came in. What a sick looking car guys. Check this out. Also have the Artura over here. So hi guys, we've hopped into the McLaren Artura, and we're just taking it a bit ahead, and when I started it started the electric motor, so I was quite surprised that it started. I actually just got to know that it's a hybrid. That's so cool. What, an electric McLaren? That's sick. Check out this stunning Mansory Urus with this Tiffany blue color, and also we have the Tiffany blue inside. Check out the interiors. This is so cool, and it's also got the starlight on the headrest. Check this out, we have another Mansory Urus in this purple shade where you can see the color is actually fading to black over here, and this car has the orange interiors. Mansory is next level guys. They just beef up the cars so good. Which one would you choose, the purple one over here or that one over there? Guys, check this out. We have a Nissan Patrol pushing 1300 horsepower. That's crazy. Looks stock from outside, but definitely not stock from the inside. 1300 horsepower in a Nissan Patrol. That's madness. Guys, so we have the SF90 and a Maserati MC20 that showed up, along with a Turbo S Cabriolet with a top design body kit with the forged, it's forged carbon, yeah. By the way, this G-Wagon over here, did a 10.7 seconds. That's crazy. Oh my god. These Nissan Patrols are crazy, guys. We have the plate that's going. This did a 8.5 seconds. That's crazy over here. So we have an Lamborghini Aventador S. Check this out. We have a unique color on this MC20. It's like a psychedelic color. If you can see where the light is falling, it is white, and if I move away, it's back to yellow. It's crazy. Comment down below what color do we call this. We are having some refreshments from block 92, and what a view over here. Car culture in the UAE is just crazy. This out. Oh, no ways. It's from this car right here. It's crazy. So guys, Yash is going next in the McLaren Artura now for the drag race. All the best, guys. अब जा रही है McLaren Artura. McLaren Artura versus the Nissan Petrol probably. Let's see. 'So guys, अपन अपने साथ है भौमिक जी. कैसे हो भाई?
बढ़िया जी बढ़िया. हमारा भी ब्लॉग चैनल है भाई.
डू सब्सक्राइब. क्या आपका यूट्यूब चैनल का नाम?
भौमिक. इट्स BHXUMIKK.
ओके, आई लिंक इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. हम आए थे Audi RS6 में, जो कि मंसूरी. भाई बहुत बढ़िया थी भाई. बहुत फुल मजा आ गई. डालनी नहीं रेस में अभी. रेस में नहीं डालनी RS6. हाँ
मारेगा यार.
अरे
कोई नहीं.
चलो कोई नहीं भाई, पर इधर भी अपने पास बहुत सारे अच्छे गाड़ियाँ हैं.
ये दिखाओ भाई जहाज.
अरे भाई ये कौन सी? XLP 600.
700.
XLP 700 एडवेंचर बाय ब्राबिस. 1 of 1. क्या बात है. और क्या कलर है यार. और इंटीरियर भी देखो, एकदम बर्बरी वाला है. सुपर्ब. Not bad for a 10-year-old car doing 10 seconds. Caught mine. Check this out. We have a Cadillac CTS V, which is a drag strip killer. Check this out. Wow. Guys, we have the Tesla Model S Plaid versus the Audi RS3. Let's see now. Definitely the Plaid is going to win. Last time it did. The Plaid, the last time it did like 8.5 seconds with a passenger. Let's see how well it can do now. Oh my god. Madness. Whoa. 8 seconds. So guys, we have the Nissan GTR now. The car behind me, this is not a regular Ferrari Portofino, but it's the Portofino Mansory Taurus. Check this out. We have the carbon fiber splitters over here. You have the HRE golden rims. That looks so good. Interior also, you have the Taurus branding over here. And you have the stitching. Oh wow. The entire stitching is brand new. So good. You have the side skirts of Mansory as well. And you have the rear diffuser as well. And this definitely didn't sound stock because it's got a custom exhaust as well. Amazing. So guys, we're joined with my friend Rushan from Rush for Real. Do check out his Instagram. He's known for the rollers from the metro. So he's the CEO of rollers from the metro. Do check it out.
Definitely.
So bro, how was the event, man?
Oh, it was crazy. I swear.
Your first drag race event?
Not first actually. I was there before in the Autodrome, but this one is crazy.
Yeah, at Yas.
This one is crazy.
It was also the first time for me at the Yas drag strip. Crazy cars, the Nissan Patrol were absolute highlight.
Bro, those Arabs, bro. I swear, these guys, I don't know what tune they use. Those cars be flying, I swear.
And all these Nissan Patrols, they are not at all aerodynamic, but still they're doing sub 10 seconds. That's crazy.
Easily.
I guess the fastest was the Tesla Model S plate.
Oh, yeah.
It did 8 seconds.
8 seconds for 250 kilometers per hour. That's crazy.
Crazy.